Going on out here on the field, checking out the crops. I think they're tomatoes. Also out here showing off my new haircut to the crops. Make them feel jealous. But yep, just testing out this microphone I put on the iPhone 11 Pro Max on the Ulanzi without the cold shoe mount. Just seeing how it works. Got the owl box over there, but I don't think there's an owl inside. No vacancy or vacancy? I think it's vacancy. There's a field. There's a farmer back there. Or up there. Checking the crops. I got my CPR face shield barrier if he needs my assistance. Yep, it's windy, as you can tell. Testing out the wind device. Alright.